Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to Life and Tech channel. Today I'm here with another video. Today I will show you clockology, one apps by which you can customize your Apple watch faces. So if you guys don't know how to install clockology apps in your phone, uh, then please write me in the below the comment section, so I will show you how to install it. So after installing clockology apps, you can see this is the clockology apps. You can download these watch faces from our Facebook page. If you search for clockology fans, you'll find our Facebook page. There will be so many uh, um, developers who actually created those very nice Apple Watch faces, and they have put those uh, by using a link, and you can free download them from there. You can see this is our watch face for basically Apple Watch Series 7, but however you can install it, I can use it on any of your Apple Watch. This is my Apple Watch Series 4, and I will show you I can use Apple Watch Series 7 watch faces right away on my Apple Watch Series 4 with no problem. And I'll show you, there's so many beautiful watch faces. You can see these also color changing. This is also very nice. You can see Mixom. This one is very simple, but I like it. You can see the uh, green color here. If you guys like leg state watch, you can use these faces as well on your Apple Watch. There's so many different colors you can also customize, and yeah, this one is also nice. You can see the battery indicator here. Hermes Apple Watch Series 4, sorry, Hermes watch face. I like this one. It's very nice and simple. Yeah, this is my favorite one. You can see each second it is moving and the color is changing. I think I guys will like this one. You see the battery percentage of your Apple Watch here. Now I will show you how it looks on Apple Watch. Okay, um, you have to go to clockology apps here, then you'll be able to change it. You see, I like this one. This Apple Watch face actually belongs to Apple Watch Series 7, but you can use it anywhere. But the problem I faced that it doesn't cover the edges. It's a little smaller than your actual Apple Watch Series 4 dial size, but still this one is very nice. It changes the color all the time. I like this one. You see, It almost covered the whole edges. This one is also I found this one from the same page I have mentioned, clockology fans, and they actually provide a Dropbox link. You when you click on the link, and you'll find the apps directly. Your apps will be directly downloaded to your phone. Sorry, not apps. Apple Watch face. This one almost covered the uh, edges. This is a Rolex Apple Watch face. See, oh, this one I was talking about. I like this one, and you see, it's always changing the colors from blue to orange. Hermes, also this one. I like this one. So, guys, please feel free to write if you want to have the download links as well. I can provide you, or I suggest you to visit a page and put a like on that. Um, Clockology fans, you'll find all the watch faces I've shown here. The links are there, and also they are always updating. If you keep up with the page, you'll find new Apple Watch faces there. So I wish you guys like the video, and if you have any questions related to uh, downloading these apps or using these apps, please feel free to write on the below the comment section. Then I'll provide you the link.